Suggest a name for this volcano, V1F2. It's a temporary name, Volcano 1, Fissure 2. I have mapped the area and I have find the lineation of following the structural geology of this region. And I'm going to name them. I've already named two of these after our suggestion, the suggestion by our viewers, Alicia and Nunar. And now we want to ask our audience to suggest names for this one, V1F2. It's a fissure eruption at the moment. It's going to form its caldera and crater. As you can see, I've outlined it. You can see that it's clearly are related together. And the names will be applied to this. Please suggest names, if it is possible, easy to pronounce for international audience, short, brief, and also if it is related to European or Icelandic culture, better.